Hey everybody, it's me again, Paw Patrol Sneakers. We're going to do another toy review. You'll see a bunch of these with the holidays coming up. Like I said, I like to check things out for my grandkids. Today, we've got the Paw Patrol Mighty Pups Super Paws Mighty Jet Command Center. That sounds like a lot, doesn't it? Well, let's check it out. Let me move the box out of the way a little bit. Now, I was looking at this a little while ago. It's really neat. Now, as you can see, size-wise, it's pretty big. A lot of colors. It does come with some stickers, but I'm going to save that for my grandkids to put on. So, it has stickers that go on the inside of this. I'll show you where in just a little bit. Very well put together. It's strong, but there's some surprises this thing that you'll like. Now, on the back, maybe you have some Paw Patrol cars. Well, guess what? On the back here, you can open it up and the Paw Patrol cars will fit inside. That's neat. I like that. Helps keep things together. Plus, it has its own secret car. Check this out. See this little button right here? If you take it, it shoots out. Also, in the cockpit, you have a little man. It's the Paw Patrol guy. Check him out. He comes with the set, so it's really good. Very strong, very solid. Has hands. And on the inside here, when you sit him down, it has places for him to grip hold of. There's something else about this car that's really neat too. I'll go ahead and show you. You lift this part up here, and you lift up this front. Now, it comes with these little discs. I'll show you what they're for here in just a minute. We're going to get these. There's 5 of them. You put those in there and you close it up and you're ready to go. And here's what it's for. You aim it around and then you push this little button back here on the back. Check that out. You can shoot them across the room and it'll shoot the little discs out, whether it's by itself or when it's hooked up to the jet fighter. Now, the jet fighter, like I said, in here, there's places for you to put stickers on, and those are in the instructions and they show you where to put them. Now, remember, I showed you that door earlier. In the back here, it opens up and you can put a car in here with the Paw Patrol characters. Now, also, when you want to, you can tilt it down and everything goes together. If you look on the back here, see these things, these blue things? They look kind of like the flames from an airplane, but you can also pull them inside and put them out of the way where they don't poke anything. But they're neat too. Here in just a second, I'll show you. We're going to pull them back out. Over here, there's this little button. Hope you can hear that. Makes all kinds of noises. And for the parents, on the bottom, there is a switch where you can turn it off also. There's a couple different levels that you can do. Now, on the front underneath, there is a little rolly ball right down here. So you can sit here and slide it around, and it doesn't catch on anything. This toy right here, I like it. It's very well built, it's very strong. I think my grandkids will like it too. Now, for the parents, if you want to, if you do like this, check down below. I'll put a link to where I got it, and you can check it out there. Also, if you like the videos that I do, please make sure down in the bottom corner, hit that subscribe button and like us so you'll know whenever we do new videos. Also, check out our link for the website. That'll be coming up here shortly. You have a good day. I think I'm going to go play some more with this. See you later.